Welcome back guys to my channel. It's me, Game Changers here, and today I'm going to be showing you clearly how to find the best 50 plus music apps that work online and a lot that work offline, so you won't need any internet for these, no using your data anymore. You'll be able to use all of these absolutely free. As you can see here, we have got an Android version of our app coming, but this is pretty much about app discovery all over again. I know I've been shooting out a lot of these videos guys, but I really hope you all check it out because it's one of my favorite projects so far. We've already got millions of users, and we currently got a fresh revamp coming from great dev Joseph Shenton, or at Not Josephs on Twitter. So yeah, basically do what I'm doing here. If another web page does pop up when you click the first link, just close it down and go back to the Royal Oils link that's showing up. Wait 5 seconds, click the get link, and then just tap on the big green button. It'll take you to here. Lots of people say it's not trusted. That's because it's only a web app. It's literally a website turned into an app, just for your convenience. When we update, you'll get the updates automatically rather than waiting around. Open it up. Literally go to the music tab just down the bottom. Don't need to go anywhere else. And as you can see, we have over 50 music apps here. As you can see me do in a second, I'll go to download one, it doesn't work. Don't worry about that, that's just because it don't work in your region. There's over 50 apps in this section alone, so there's plenty of other options. If one don't work for you, don't sweat it, just go back and find another one that you like the look of and go from there. So as you see me do now, I'll click on order by offline. This is an app found from the USA, which explains why it didn't work for me. As you can see, I am not available. I have to change app stores. Don't want to be doing that, so we just go back to the app. If we're having bugs like this, it's because the server's going slow. Had a little bit of lag there. And then you go back to the music, scroll down until you find another one that you want, like for instance FM music. As you can see, it's an offline player. Don't use Wi-Fi, no data, it'll play completely offline. Just wait for it to download. And that's pretty much it. As soon as it's installed, you can open it up, do whatever you want to do, bish bash bosh, and Bob's your uncle. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I'll keep bringing it for you. Anyway, I'm done. Peace.